Today in this session we are going to start our new poem, that is In the Bazaars of Hyderabad, written by Sarojini Naidu. In this poem, Sarojini Naidu describes the color and sounds of the various stalls in the bazaars of Hyderabad, the city where she was born and spent her childhood. So the line starts, "What do you sell, O ye merchants? Richly your wares are displayed, turbans of crimson and silver, tunics of purple brocade, mirror with panel of amber, daggers with handles of jade." So, the meaning of these lines, the speaker asks what the merchants sell. The articles they have for sale are plentiful and beautifully displayed. There are turbans in colors deep red and silver, loose, wide sleeved garments made of purple cloth, interwoven with silver and gold threads, mirrors that have panels made of dark yellow tree resin, and dagger with handles made from the green jade stone. Now come to second stanza. What do you weigh, O ye vendor, saffron and lentil and rice? What do you grind, O ye maidens, sandalwood, henna and spice? What do you call, O ye peddler, chessmen and ivory dice? The speaker then asks what the vendors weigh and sees that they weigh saffron, lentil and rice. She asks that the woman what they are grinding and learns that it is sandalwood, henna and a range of spices. She asks what the peddlers are calling out and then hears them selling chessmen and dice carved out of ivory. Students, just listen carefully about that, what the speaker is asking. After that, answers are also with that. What the merchant or that vendor, maiden, peddlers, what they are selling, what they are saying, everything is with that only. Now, the third stanza. What do you make, O ye goldsmith, wristlet and anklet and ring, bells for the feet of blue pigeons, frail as a dragonfly's wing, girdles of gold for the dancers, scabbards of gold for the king. Next, the speaker asks what the goldsmith make. She learns that they make bracelet, anklets and rings, as well as bells, light and delicate as the wing of a dragonfly, for the feet of blue pigeons, carrier pigeons that had tiny bells attached to their feet to ward off birds of prey and also to identify themselves to their owners. The goldsmith also make belt of gold for dancers and sword cover made of gold for the swords of king. Now the next stanza. What do you cry, O ye fruitman, citron, pomegranate and plum? What do you play, O musicians, sitar, sarangi and drum? What do you chant, O magician, spells for the aeon to come? Here the speaker asks what the fruitmen sell and then lists that they are selling citrus fruits, pomegranate and plums. She wonders what the musician play. She sees them playing the sitar, a sarangi and a drum. She asks what the magician chant and writes that they chant spell for all the ages in time yet to come. Now check the last stanza. What do you weave, O ye flower girls, with tassel of azure and red, crowns for the brow of a bridegroom, chaplets to garland his bed, sheets of white blossom new garment to perfume the sleeps of the dead bed. So here finally the speaker asks what the flower girls weave with blue and red bunches of decorative threads. She wonders if the flowers will be woven into crowns to be worn by a bridegroom, or strings of flowers that will decorate his bed, or whether the newly collected blossom will be woven into a sheet at a funeral to lend perfume to the final sleep of life. Final sleep of life means here death. So now pay attention to that. Sarojini Naidu She was one of India's best known political figure, a freedom fighter closely involved with the Indian independence movement. She was also a great orator and one of India's most talented poets, known for the diversity of her writing. Naidu was given the title of the Nightingale of India. The Palanquin Bearer is one of her noted works. So you have to learn about the poet also. Your homework is, students, you have to write the word meanings in your notebook. After that, you have to write the poem. Just check the previous word meaning first of all. This is the first page onward, that word meaning is there. All 1 to 6 words are here, and next page the words are 7 to 12. You have to write all in your notebook, and after that write the poem with the poet name. That's all, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.